Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So a new week has started and I'm really excited to see where things go from here for Pepe and whatever is going to happen next. As I told you in yesterday's video, I'm expecting good things to happen, not just for Pepe, all the crypto in general. Okay, it's been 4 months, 4 months of absolute boredom and carnage that happened. A lot of people are depressed, disappointed. Me too. Part of me is really disappointed and depressed. But then again, when you just sit back and you think about it, you have a lot of time for crypto to prove itself. We still have that time until next year of September. So whenever there's a setback happening, I always remember that, okay, we still have a lot of time until next year. The thing is, August and especially when it comes down to September, September can be a month that is not very friendly for you. And speaking of September and August, August entry is actually opened up for the signals. And if you want to be a part of it, make sure you join. And just previously, I was in a Dogecoin trade, and Elon Musk even updated his profile picture just a little bit right here. And if you check out Atom Trades and what I'm actually doing in here, I actually had this Dogecoin call a few days ago. So back in 19, we had the Dogecoin at 12258, and it's actually pumping up. It's been 17% up so far, and I'm looking to actually take 40% out of Dogecoin. So these are trades that we're taking in. And let me tell you one thing. The thing about private, not a lot of before I talk, I'm going to talk about Pepe, of course, but the thing is, not a lot of people are going to tell you or other private people who are doing the signals and whatnot. They're not going to tell you that they were able. Most of them are not able to defeat what happened previously. I mean, a lot of like crypto came down 40%, right, with a lot of altcoins, and I've made some decisions where we are not affected by what happened last month in crypto, especially in June. Yes, we were down. So here's the thing. We had Luna Classic. Luna Classic actually dropped down 40%, okay? When Luna Classic dropped 40%, a lot of people were scared, of course, on my private, and I really had to do some very brave decision because the market is down. So what I did is I actually told everyone not to sell anything. So it was 40% down, and it stayed 40% down for almost 7 to 8 days, and then a reversal, a relief started off. So from 40% to 10% loss, okay? And then I cashed out Luna Classic for a minus 10% just to enter Dogecoin, because Luna Classic pumped first and I saw Dogecoin didn't pump. So that little bit of decisions are important when it comes down to private. So what happened is, yes, my private members had to wait for maybe 2 months and 1.5 months, but they did, right? So we recovered, we are in minus 10 now, and we entered Doge. Doge went 20% up, and now we're like into 10% profits. So that's how you can take, like, I'm just giving you an overview of what really happens down in the private as well. Now, on the daily time frame, we are boiling in probably a flag here, and we also have a little bit of resistance that I think has been broken as well. So if you do check this out, we have actually broken above support and resistance. If you check support, resistance down, a break above, and a retest, that looks so I do hope that we are coming up to 17,071 hopefully in the future. So back to the all-time high is what's going to happen. The worst case scenario is if Pepe drops down and loses 74051 one more time, then I think that's going to be bad. I don't really see this happening at all. And that's all for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.